So welcome to the safety section of our show here.
Yeah, I was adjusting clothing.
Oh my gosh. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to the safety recap part of the class. This is actually quite important, which is why we're going to just do a quick review. The first thing that Karis is going to do is tie back her hair. She's wearing long sleeves right now, but I'm also going to give her a lab coat to put on because that's how we roll here at our house.
There's a story behind this lab coat. So I am a student at university, and once at the bookstore, I was walking past to get to like a class or something, and they had lab coats on sale outside, and I saw them and thought, my mother needs a lab coat.
So now I am a proud owner of a lab coat.
So I bought her a lab coat.
Which she borrows all the time.
Yeah, I like wearing it when making soap.
Anyway, so she'll do that. The other thing that you should have is safety gloves. You can use ordinary dishwashing gloves, or what do you call cleaning gloves, if you want to. Those are her favorite. They're a bit longer. You don't have to do a glove.
I want to do a glove effect stuff. You gotta make sure that you are protected because lye is very dangerous, and if you get lye water on your clothes will disintegrate. So don't get lye on your clothes.
If you get lye on yourself or raw soap batter on yourself, just stop what you're doing, take off the clothing, don't try to be a hero. To remove the soap, you'll actually have to use soap and warm water to take it off. Not hot water, just lukewarm actually, just to get it off you. The other thing you can do is use the nitrile glove like that if you can find that, or you can use a regular glove like that. Another thing you need to have, so just regular glasses,
not protective.
Not enough. You need to have something else. Those are the ones that she likes to use the most. They're the ones
that are clear.
Yeah.
They're easier to see through.
Yeah. And you also should be working in event, especially when you're putting your lye powder into the lye water, you need to do it in a well-ventilated area, such as the outside. If you cannot get to outside, do it in front of an open window using respiratory gear. Okay?
We usually mix our lye water outside so we don't have to worry about fumes being contained in the space.
Yeah.
So it is better to do it in a place where you just have, it's very well ventilated.
Yeah, don't breathe it in. And Karis is going to explain to you the order of adding the lye mixture together. So go ahead.
Right. I'm going to take these off because I don't need them to see the camera. So when you are mixing your lye water, remember that you have to put your lye into the water and not water into the lye. So there's a way of remembering this, which is snow on the mountain or snow on the water, which means your snow, which is the lye powder, goes onto the water, because if you do it the other way, it explodes. So make sure that you put your lye into the water and not vice versa. It's very important.
Also, you should be over 18 years of age to be making soap like this, just because of the danger element. Also, keep your kids and pets out of the way when you're making soap. If they bump something, you could have potentially a serious problem, but I think that pretty much recaps the safety, and if you can handle bleach competently, you can handle lye as well.